Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets. So I did a review previously on the Motherwell solo luggage rack that goes on the back of the Harley-Davidson Softail and my 2018 Heritage specifically. And after I did that video, they asked me if I would do a review on their new product, which is the backrest with luggage rack. And I said, of course I would. So if you're not into motorcycles, and this is not for you, well then I'll see you on the next video. But I definitely wanted to do a review of this luggage rack in particular. It's actually the one that I wanted originally, but I was going back and forth. I thought the solo rack looked better. I still actually think that, but this is far more functional for me. And what I like the most about this rack is that it's quick detach, so it works with the Harley quick detach hardware. So you just push these two little release levers in here, and the seat does come off. It makes it easier to pull it on and off, and then it just clips up on the hardware here. And Harley actually provides, obviously on the Softail, this Heritage, they provide that stuff because it's part of the saddlebag. But Motherwell actually does send the mounting hardware if you don't have the saddlebags, so you can actually attach this, and it does come shipped with this rack detached, but it's just 4 screws. If you can put this thing on, you can attach the rack. It's incredibly simple. But the reason why I wanted this rack is because it's just easier to put my helmet when I stop for lunch or something like that, to throw it up over the back, and I can lock it onto the back rack here. One less thing I have to carry to lunch with me. I can just choose to leave it out on the bike, especially when it's cooler like this. I'm not worried about the sun baking on the helmet or anything. So for me, this is just more functional. I also like that I can put a backpack with the backrest here. The solo rack, you can tie it down and ratchet everything down right to the back of the bike, fine. But for me, I like the backrest. It's a little more comfort to me knowing that the bag's actually attached to something rigid that's vertical. And if you really had to, I mean, you could put the bag on rear facing with the straps around the backrest here, or if you have no passenger, you can put it on here with the straps, you know, around the back. So it's a lot more versatile to me than the solo rack. I think the solo rack has a little sportier feel. It makes the back of the bike look a little more sleek, which is really cool. But I really actually like the look of this backrest on this Heritage Softail. It makes it look a little more touring bike to me, in my opinion. So I've actually been riding with this now for a few days. I just didn't do an unboxing or anything because there's really not much to show for an unboxing, but it does come packaged up real nice. It is really protected. So if packaging is a concern to you, you know, you really have nothing to worry about as far as that is concerned. I thank you very much for watching. Please click that subscribe button down below, and remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel, and we will see you guys next time.